All right, super exciting morning. Ah! That's what day it is. I mean, I know it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday, November 3rd, 2020. And it's a super not exciting morning because it's the day to vote. And I've never voted in a presidential election before. Crazy saying that on a camera because people might judge you. But here I am in 2020, finally biting the bullet. And I don't know. Don't ask me why I didn't do it in the past, just I was busy. Maybe I was busy. Maybe I was just playing video games. But either way, I'm trying to make it kind of fun for myself, so I'm riding my e-board down the road to the voting center, because it ain't that far. So we're cruising. Alright, I'll give you an update once I'm out of this stupid election thing. Bye. Well, I'll have to say that was pretty painless. That angled up right. Look at that. Got one officially. They almost forgot to give it to me, was the funny part. It's only, you know, it's only appropriate if we put it maybe in the bottom of the board. There you go. There you go. Boom, it's on the board. Hopefully the audio is decent even with a little bit of wind involved. Usually GoPro is good for that. So yeah, I voted 2020 and I'm 32 years old. And this is the first time I ever voted in a presidential election or any election in general. And I have to say it was mostly, I just didn't know what to expect, and I will say that it was easier and smoother than I expected. And the thing that I was most grateful for is everybody was very nice there. It's a very comfortable space, everybody was very helpful. Yeah, which was like everything I was looking for. I didn't want to show up and feel embarrassed or shamed or anything for, you know, not knowing what I was doing. Riding over Stoughton Road right now. And yeah, I will say that the staff there, I think they're all volunteers, I would imagine. They did a fantastic job. Can't believe I'm going down this ramp on my skateboard. I could have never have done this without brakes. On my normal board, I would be thrashing into a wall right now. Going down. But I definitely wanted to get out and just do something I actually enjoy doing after voting, hence I'm on my board, because I don't know about everybody else, but I don't enjoy voting. You know, like, it's not like we have yet to ever be able to vote for Hope in the last 8 years. We have 2 old men, neither of which I'm a big fan of. So we're back to voting for the lesser of 2 evils, which is just such a silly thing in 2020. All this information available, all this world change available, all this communication available, and we're still voting for the lesser of 2 evils. It just doesn't make any sense to me. Well, I'm gonna get back to riding. It is a beautiful day here in Madison, Wisconsin. This is maybe that last little bit of Indian summer that we can expect to see. It's supposed to be 65 degrees today, which, wow, that will be amazing. And I'm hoping that Katie, Lily, and I can all go to a park and enjoy it together after school's done. All right, bye for now. Well, first time for everything. My board died, I don't know, probably about a mile from home. I can tell the battery isn't as strong as it was when I first bought this board. But that's part of testing it out. It's just kind of seeing what kind of performance you can expect from the battery. When I get home, we'll charge her up from full. I mean, we'll charge her up from empty and just see if she goes further. But like I said, I bought this Team G board for, you know, they retail for $800. It was on sale for $650, and I've been really impressed with it so far. I mean, this is the first time that I haven't made it home on one charge, and I will say that I don't think that I went very far. Kind of surprises me. So we're done voting, we're done longboarding, and done hiking because I had to carry my longboard all the way back to my house. And we have a guest appearance from my good friend Javell. Say hi, Javell. Hi. I keep trapping my friends into being in my vlogs. So we're gonna go disc golfing. Got my Zuka, got my disc. Not too many days left like this. What'd you say the temperature was when you got here, Joe? 60 degrees. Last year, there was 6 inches of snow on the ground, not 60 degrees. So, might be the last round of disc golf when there's not snow on the ground. What do you think, Javell? You disc golf in the winter, don't you? Yeah. Out of Bird's Ruin? Bird's Ruin, yeah. So we actually do disc golf in the winter time, but this is far more enjoyable. I already feel like taking my hoodie off. Wearing a hoodie right now is a trap. I got you throwing it. So just so you can appreciate where that went, it went all the way down here. How do you feel about that, Javell? So we finished all 18. I threw a number that I can't remember. Javell, how'd you do?
2 down.
2 down. Either way, it was a beautiful day. We did not need hoodies or pants. We should have probably had shorts on, but yep. we survived.
I'm sticky in all the wrong places. Yep.
Yes, I mean, I can't say the same, but I understand. Anyway, we're headed back home, and that might be a wrap for this video unless I add more later, but let's call it a wrap for now.